Where we really stand out compared to other trucking companies is the way in which we provide value-added services to each of our customers on a regular basis. It's the little things in transportation that do in fact matter, and we understand this because we take the time to understand each of our customers.
In the 21st century, supply chain companies are constantly being defined by how they can embrace emerging technologies such as real-time tracking, ELDS, data analysis, and other automated systems. Worldwide has worked diligently to have a strong pulse on how we can stay ahead of the curve and invest in these modern tools rather playing catch-up.
A worldwide group of companies does an incredible job setting formidable but realistic expectations with our customers. It's no secret there are always challenges and unknowns in transportation. Over the years, we have learned the best approach is to arm ourselves with a multitude of quality contingency plans to provide the service customers have come to expect.